Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, 2025. Today, we're diving into a single word that has more than one meaning. And no, I don't mean anything confusing. Actually, I do. The word is mean. First up, we have unkind. This is when someone is being unkind or cruel. For example, she said a mean thing to her brother. Or that was a mean prank. When we hear mean in this way, it's describing behavior. In this context, it's used as an adjective. Next, we have the mathematical mean. In mathematics, the mean is used as a noun. This one's a little different. In math, the mean means average. Now, keep in mind that there are multiple types of means, when discussing mathematics. There are arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, quadratic, and weighted means. But for simplicity of this presentation, we are only discussing the basic average, just the basic. And here's how it works. You take the sum of all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. For example, let's say you have 2, 4, and 6. You add them up. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12. Divide by 3 because there are 3 numbers in the set. 12 divided into 3 equals 4. The mean is 4. We use the mean to find the central value of a set of numbers. It's super common in statistics, science, and everyday math. So, do you want to know why we call it mean for the average? It's actually a word from an old Latin word meaning us, is the word, meanius, meaning middle. Over time, it evolved into mean because it represents a value that's in the middle of the data. So just keep in mind, in math, the mean equals the average. Next, we have to intend or indicate. Mean in this context is used as a verb. This is about intention or meaning behind words or actions. Here, mean expresses intention or purpose. Now, let's recap and look a little deeper into mean as an adjective. When used as an adjective, it describes someone or something that's unkind, cruel, nasty, not generous, or it could be very good if you're using slang. And when we say unkind or spiteful, we're meaning treating others badly or saying hurtful things. Then you have the cruel or harsh. And when you're saying cruel or harsh, you mean deliberately causing pain or making someone feel bad. Then you have stingy or ungenerous, not willing to share or give. Now, those are means in a negative way, but there's also mean in a positive way in slang. Just keep in mind. And that means very good or skillful. It's informal, but it's a positive use and it's used in slang. To expand on mean as a noun, mean is used as a noun when referring to a middle point, average, or balance between extremes. It's most often used in, again, mathematics, statistics, and also general English to describe something that's in between. And like I said once before, in mathematics, it means the average value of a set of numbers. In everyday English, Philosophical, it means a middle or moderate position between extremes. And also in origin, it means the middle. Next and last, we have mean the verb. To mean something is to intend or express a particular idea, thought, or purpose. It's one of the most common and versatile verbs in the English language. To intend or plan to do something. It's used when you want to intend to do something, or even if you don't even do it, it's just you wanted to do something. Next is to indicate or signify, used when explaining a word, action, or symbol that it represents, its meaning or importance. Next, we have to have importance or value, used when describing how important something or someone is to someone else. And lastly, we have to result in or cause something, used when one situation leads to another situation or results. Now, mean the verb has common uses, and I just wanted to expand on those common uses. To express meaning to do something, you intend to or plan to do it. So, I meant to help is an example. Means something to someone. That it brings the important aspect of meaning. For example, that gift means a lot to me. Mean well. Have good intentions is next. That means I have very good intentions, but you may have missed it. For example, he's rude, but he means well. Mean business, seriousness. When she says she's quitting, she means business. That's a great example. She means what she says. Be meant to, be supposed to. You're meant to wear that uniform, for example, is another form. Let's do a quick recap of the three meanings of mean. First, we have unkind, angry, which is used as an adjective. Another example, that dog is very mean. Intend, mean to indicate. That is used as a verb. And the example would be something like, what do you mean? Mean as the average number of something. That is used as a noun. And an example would be, what is your average in math? And that's the magic of the English language. One word can wear many different hats. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick language tips. And tell me in the comments if you have any questions. Which meme do you use the most? Comment below. We'll love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.